Jawad, this one's for you. In one of our other videos, you asked for an OCR astrophysics question, and I've picked a classic parallax question that loads of students find really, really tricky. Even though it's 1 mark, there's one particular part that loads of students kind of tripped over. So let's see if we can avoid that one today. If we jump down, and the first thing we look at obviously is a command word. We don't get thrown off by this, and it asks for the parallax P, and is saying that it should be about 0.8 of an arc second. So I write down what I'm supposed to find out, and then it tells me that this can be determined from using figure 24.1. So I have to kind of go back to that and look. And when I do that, the distance between the two stars, or the two positions of when I observed it on the Earth, is 3.1 centimeters. And it tells me up here that the scale is 2.1 centimeters equal to 1 arc second. And it took the Earth about 6 months to cover that distance. So what I do is actually I draw out a diagram just to see what actually is going on. That's after obviously I've written everything down. So if I look through my diagram now, I've got the Earth up here and it traced half this orbit in 6 months. And what it did was it actually traced a double angle of what we're looking for. So that's the mistake, that actually this is the total angular shift, but it's asking for the parallax, which is going to be half of that. So once I kind of got that idea in my head, now we're straight into it. So I need to convert this centimeters, or this 3.1 centimeters, actually into an angle. So I'm going to take my 3.1 centimeters and I'm going to divide that by my 2 centimeters, and that's going to give me my total angular shift, total in parsecs. That's actually equivalent to 2p. Okay, so once I've got this, I then now need to halve that answer, and hopefully now what we can start to see already is half of 1.55 is going to be approximately 0.8. When it's a show that question, you want to keep your significant figures high. So I've gone to 3 here, and you also want to be able to say at the very end is that conclusion of 0.775 arc seconds is approximately 0.8 arc seconds as the concluding statement, and that's how you make sure you get all of your marks in these type of questions. Right, Jawad, hopefully you found that useful. There's another part coming, but please keep your comments and recommendations for future questions, and I can keep gearing content towards you and help you prepare for A-level physics. See you on the next one.